How to fix Snapchat not working on Wi-Fi. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix if your Snapchat is not working on Wi-Fi network. Well, the process is simple, so let me guide it through. First things first, you'll have to keep in mind whether your Snapchat is not working only on Wi-Fi or data both. Now, if it is not just working on Wi-Fi but it is working on your network connection, then what you want to do is you want to head into your device settings first. Once you head into your device settings, head into the connections option. There you'll find the option that says data users. Tap on it, and here you can see the option that says allow network for apps. Tap on it. Now from here you want to look in for the Snapchat option. So let me find the Snapchat option here. You can see Snapchat, tap on it, and now you can see here you want to make sure that it is not on mobile data only and both on mobile data or Wi-Fi. So you want to change it to it, and then you can see if the issue is fixed. This should probably fix the issue. If it is still not fixed, try logging out your account and then logging in back again, and also make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.